The resplendent Quetzal, a bird of extraordinary beauty, thrives in the cloud forests of Central America. With its vibrant green and red plumage, the Quetzal captivates observers, particularly during the breeding season when males flaunt their iridescent tail feathers. These magnificent creatures are revered in Mayan and Aztec cultures, symbolizing freedom due to their refusal to live in captivity. Quetzals play a crucial role in their ecosystem, dispersing seeds of the wild avocado, their primary food source. Sadly, deforestation threatens their habitat, making conservation efforts vital. Their elusive nature and striking appearance render the resplendent Quetzal a true treasure of the avian world.